up, you guys? I'm Jason Allen and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today, I am here to share a secret with y'all. What's that one thing that's gonna make you feel sexy? And the answer is, you need to have some Threesome. Oh wait, stop right there. I'm talking about the Threesome Mascara by MyGlamm. Why it's called the Threesome Mascara? Because it volumizes, lengthens, and also curls your lashes all in one go. The Threesome Mascara is formulated with lash-loving ingredients that strengthens and conditions your lashes while making them look gorgeous. It's enriched with argan oil and apricot butter that nourishes your lashes and promotes to lash growth and softening. Isn't that what we all want? But wait, let's talk about the most important bit of this product, the tubing technology. The mascara coats your lashes in tubes, which makes the removal very easy. All that you really need to do is use warm water, maybe makeup remover or a gentle soap. And when you're actually removing your mascara, you could actually see the tubes on your hands. So no more hassle of having panda eyes or getting mascara off your eyes or the fear of losing your beautiful lashes. Once applied, the tube binds to your lashes and does not run, flake, smudge or clump, even if you cry or smudge your eyes. And it is also sweat resistant, which is perfect for all humid climates. So you don't have to worry about end up looking like a zombie because Threesome Mascara by MyGlamm got your back. The Threesome Mascara comes with matte jet black finish, which is suitable for all skin tones. And we all know black is the best. Yeah. I'm just saying this out of experience, y'all. And I'm still talking about the mascara. The Threesome Mascara is free of parabens. This product is cruelty-free and not tested on animals. So with Threesome Mascara, you have nothing to lose. All you get is just long, fluttery, voluminous lashes. So go now on www.myglamm.com and get yourself some Threesome.